नमस्कार, मैं स्मृति। वुमेन डेडिकेशन में आज आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हमारे साथ इस छोटे एज में खुशी जी हमारे साथ आज जुड़ी हुई हैं। वो एक बुक राइटर हैं। उन्होंने एक इतनी कम एज में एक बुक राइट की है। एक बुक राइटर हैं, एक स्टोरी राइटर जिसे हम बोलेंगे। तो आइए आज हम उनसे बातचीत करते हैं। तो आपका स्वागत है वुमेन डेडिकेशन में खुशी जी। ठीक है, तो आज आप हमें अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए, आपकी थोड़ी सी ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन।
Sure. So, myself Kushi Mohanta. I am basically 17 years old. I am from Sirsa, Haryana, and I am an author. I started my journey of writing when I was in my grade 5. I'm like constantly writing articles, poems, and blogs. But this time, when the world was locked down in their homes, so I thought to write something apart from like normal stories or quotes and poems, and this time something very different, which has a different flavor and a different niche. So I thought to write a novel, which is basically inspired from me. And though its genre is such that people are very reluctant to speak for themselves, waste number 42. People are ashamed that they are fat, that they are obese, and they fall a prey, a victim to body shaming. And that is why I wanted to highlight this essence in my novel.
ओके, जैसा कि आपने बताया कि आपने जो बुक राइट किया उसकी क्या स्पेसिफिक हैं, तो आप मुझे थोड़ा सा डिस्क्रिप्शन देंगी कि आपकी बुक बाकी बुक से क्यों डिफरेंट है, थोड़ा बहुत।
Sure. So, first of all, what I feel is a reader can only relate to a book if he or she can relate to the writer. If my readers are able to relate to my words, if they can feel me, they can obviously relate to my book, right? So, first of all, what I deem is that I myself am of their age. I myself am a teenager. I will be completing my 18 this year. And I personally have underwent all these experiences which I have written down. If a writer cannot feel what he or she is writing, obviously the readers cannot feel it too. But I have lived these experiences. I have lived my story. And I think that it is the story of all those people, but they cannot voice themselves out. And I want to be the voice of all such people out here. So I think my novel is the voice to all those people who are still suffering.
ओके, आपने जैसे बताया कि आपकी जो बुक है वो बाकियों से क्यों डिफरेंट है, क्या डिस्क्रिप्शन है उस बुक में। तो मैं लास्ट एक क्वेश्चन और आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि आपकी जो बुक है क्या वो कैसे सेल हो रही है, क्या आपको सपोर्ट मिल रहा है, और अब तक कितनी बुक्स आपने सेल कर दी हैं, और क्या क्या इस एज में आपको क्या कहाँ से मोटिवेशन मिला इस बुक को लिखने का। एज फैमिली सपोर्ट है, कुछ फ्रेंड सपोर्ट है, कैसे?
So basically, my parents are very supportive. They have never said me no to anything. Like whatever be my demand, they are like, yes, you can do it. So publishing a novel, first of all, it is a big task. It is a big investment also. But when I said that I want to publish a novel, they were like, yes, publish it without any question mark that if it will get published, if your sales record will keep on going. They were like nothing. They did not expect anything. Rather, they invested everything in me. So first of all, having supportive parents is a blessing in disguise, I must say. And I've been nurtured in a way, as psychology says, nature and nurture both have a very important interplay in shaping the personality of a person. So my nature and nurture has been the way that I have been grown up in a conducive atmosphere where I've learned from my surroundings, my vicinity, and it is the procurement of all those which I've learned in the past 17 years which got accumulated in me, and this has helped me through my journey of writing a novel. My parents, my teachers, and all those people who are connected to me digitally or in physically also digitization, and also social distancing now. So they have helped me author a book, and thanks to every one of you, also to the readers, because a writer is only when he or she has readers. If readers are not there, then writer is worth nothing.
तो मैम प्लीज़ आप मुझे ना कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आपकी बुक के या नॉवल के बारे में, कुछ स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स आप मुझे बताइए।
So, first of all, what I think is that the world is devoid of hope, and we are living in a place, in an atmosphere nowadays where we need hope foremostly and omnipotently. Where the world is devoid of hope and the hearts are lonely, fragmented, I think there is a need to rekindle this lost hope, this lost energy in people. So my novel not only revolves around weight bullying, obesity, and teasing, mocking, but it also rekindles that lost hope, that zeal, that positive impact, which is very importantly, very crucially needed in our lives, but we lack it. We are devoid of it. My novel, so what I have made a change in my novel is that I've written letters to you. I have not written those letters as a part of the story, but letters straight from my heart to the reader's heart, which will make you feel that you are not different. Rather, you are the same as everyone else, but people cannot differentiate, cannot segregate you, that you have some unique qualities and that you can be appreciated and loved. So I will say that start to love yourself first, then accepting and expecting everyone else to love you. So thank you everyone.
ओके जैसा कि खुशी जी ने हमें बताया कि उनकी बुक की क्या ऐसी स्पेसिफिकेशंस थी और क्या कैसे उनकी बुक जो बाकी बुक से अलग है, और इतनी टीनेजर में उन्होंने एक बुक राइट की और बहुत अच्छे रीडर्स भी हैं उनकी बुक के। तो आज आपको हमारे इस चैनल और स्टूडियो में आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच।